Thinking about canceling your T-Mobile home internet? In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to cancel, how to avoid extra charges, and what to do with the gateway so you don't get billed. How to cancel T-Mobile home internet. The only official and reliable way to cancel is by calling T-Mobile customer support. Step 1. Call 1-877-4531-304 or dial 611 from a T-Mobile phone. Step 2. Follow the prompts and say cancel service. Step 3. Verify your account using your phone number, account number, or PIN. Step 4. Clearly say you want to cancel, not pause or suspend. Step 5. Ask for email or text confirmation of the cancellation. Important tip. T-Mobile may offer discounts or plan changes. If you're sure, repeat that you want to cancel. Don't forget to return the gateway. This part is critical. If you don't return the gateway, you can be charged up to $370. You must return the device within 45 days of cancellation. You can return it by dropping it off at a T-Mobile store, using a prepaid return label provided by support. Always get a receipt or tracking number, and keep it until your final bill is clear. Are there cancellation fees? Good news here. T-Mobile home internet has no contracts. There are no early termination fees. You only pay for the current billing cycle, unreturned or damaged equipment. Check your final bill. Before you're done, make sure billing stops after your cancellation date. No gateway or non-return fees appear. Equipment return shows as received. Any final charge matches your usage. If something looks wrong, contact support immediately. Click the link in the description for the full written guide. Now you know exactly how to cancel T-Mobile home internet the right way, without surprise charges. Thanks for watching.